my exercises here in Grandville Subdivision. Welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, retired teacher, Erlinda Green, Sailor Rindon. Okay, let me introduce my new basic simple exercises. Rindon signature, ready, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or this one. 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, amazing. And the one, my Rindon signature exercises. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's leave it here. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or the jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got it. Amazing. And just a body stretching course to achieve my wellness goals. Okay, just this one. Okay, trying to be a boxer. And extend also. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or this one also. Join me as I introduce you these amazing exercises. Sitting on the wall. Okay, sitting on the wall, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next figure, squat. Squatting. Okay, squatting, squat on air. Ready, go. 1, 2, wow, I can do it. 3, 4, down, up, 5, down, 6, up. Oh, amazing. Or the terrific figure, moving the hands and the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or up, down, for relaxing of every part of the body, the hands, everything, the feet. I'm getting perspired. Then we can have up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Wow. You see, I'm perspiring now. Really. Another one. Rindon's signature basic exercises. This one. The wow legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, try this one. For wow legs, long-legged, no varicose. Okay, look at that. No varicose legs. Wow, amazing. Or the back look. We can have this one. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. Wellness of the body. Really, I love this one. Really. So wonderful. Workout for this morning. Live and alive in Grandville Subdivision, Catalunan. Your vlogger, teacher beer in the Rindon. Where life is here again. Life is here in Davao City. Come, join me, my city life. I am embracing this one. It's wonderful world. You can have your exercises every day. Just like run place. Just running in place. Or you can have running. You can run. And no people will criticize you. And simple jogging. Just jogging. Jog, jog, and jog. Okay. For wellness. So for now, this is my day in Davao City. Thank you for joining me. My wellness goals for this morning. Wonderful word. No stress, no tension, just having enough exercises and hoping I can sustain this one. I am your teacher, retired teacher, vlogger, and awarded by the school, vlogger of the century by the principal. So, Ma'am Jean Morales Parasa, thank you. I know you're the one who did that. So, Mabuhayers, thank you for viewing me, watching me, my Mabuhay YouTube channel. I have 2, the yellow profile and gray profile in count. I have also one page, Erlinda Green, Sailor Rindon. And of course, the other one is two Facebook account, Erlina Bing Basiri. Just drop by my walking exercise and here I am. Thank you for watching my vlogs. Thank you, mabuhayers ka, mabuhay. Thank you everyone, viewers, followers, FB friends, and everyone. God bless you all. Long live, long life, good person. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Vlogger, retired teacher, Erlina Bing Basiri, signing off.